Hello YouTube, welcome back to this week's video. This is tinySA. Check this out, we got ourselves a tinySA Ultra Plus. And I got this from eBay, so around about 130 odd pounds. Now the difference between the Ultra and the Ultra Plus is this one here will go right the way up to 7.3 gigahertz, which is cool. On the top here, on the side here, we've got our calibration socket, got our RF socket there, you can plug in an antenna, and I've got sitting there the supplied little telescopic antenna. On the top here, you've got your on-off switch, your jog wheel, and that's where you put your guitar pick or lanyard and so on. On the bottom here, you've got USB-C, you've got yourselves the SD card socket, and that's got a micro SD card of 32 gig, and that came in the box. We've also got a headphone jack because we can monitor the output from the frequencies, so I could type in, say, 144 to 146 megs, which is 2 meter band, see a spike on the screen, go to the spike, look and listen to the audio. You can do the same thing with commercial radio, CB radio, and so on. So let's turn the unit on, and this screen protector is going to stay on there as long as it can. If I just extend the antenna, now you can plug in a bigger antenna if you've got the adapters. I haven't got the adapters to hand, so we're going to use this stock antenna, so it won't pick up a lot, but it'll be okay for this video. If I zoom in on the screen, I'll tap on the screen, and you see there we've got loads of options. We've got like pause, preset, frequency level, and so on. If I click on frequency, and at the top here it says start and stop, press on start, and I can zoom back out. I'm going to type in a frequency of 88.0 megahertz. I'm going to tap on the screen again, tap on stop, and the frequency is 108 megahertz. There we go. Now all I need to do now is tap on the screen, go back, press on level, and we're going to turn the LNA on, which is a low noise amplifier. So we just zoom in on that one. We should see a lot more spikes coming up on the unit itself. Now what we can do now is just plug in the speaker, which is what I've got there, which is behind there, which is the NEI BH speaker, and we can then monitor the audio. So we just plug in the cable. Okay, there's the cable, and we can say there, we can just tap on the screen, we can go listen. We should, there we go, tap on the screen again, okay, listen. Let's go down the band using the jog wheel. Let's say listening there. There's something there. Now I am filming this early on in the morning, and this antenna here is not going to be much cop for listening to normal radio. Let's go up to this one here. It'd be better if you had a extension antenna, and you can actually probably build antennas for different bands and use it with this unit here. So now I wanted to say scan the 2 meter band. Tap on the screen, go back, do frequency, start frequency of 144 megahertz, and our stop frequency will be 146 megahertz. There we go. We're now doing a scan of the 2 meter band. You see they've got loads of noise coming through. It probably just an interference in here in the shack. We're monitoring the 2 meter band. Now this will go right the way up to 7 gigahertz. So I'll tap on the screen. We do a start frequency of 2.4 gigahertz, stop frequency of 2.7 gigahertz. That's going to monitor 2.4 to 2.7, and we should see, there you go, it's probably Wi-Fi spikes coming through, all sorts of wireless devices on 2.4 gigs. Let's go right the way up with monitor 7.1 gigahertz, right the way up to 7.3 gigahertz. Are we getting anything? No, there's nothing there. Or there's something there, but it's not strong enough to, it's probably just interference. Let's do one more. We'll do 5.8 gigahertz. We're going to stop at 5.9 gigahertz. You'll see there, we're monitoring 5.8 to 5.9. And if there is anything coming through, you can then monitor the audio coming through your speaker or your headphones. But for £130, we've got a spectrum analyzer in our pocket. You can also use this to test harmonics, send signals into the radio, and indeed when I was sending signals to the radio, this will go lower. So last week it went down to about -70. This will go down double that. I think it's -140. I will be testing it with my -40 dB attenuator and seeing how sensitive the radios are when I've got a proper connection to the radio. Anyhow, if you've got one of these, how are you finding it? And post in the comments below. Should I remove this screen protector? At the moment it's going to stay on as long as possible. Cube sent me in a cafe the other day. Keep it on there as long as possible. I bet you can't. So I'll leave it on there as long as I can. Anyhow, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in another video. This is tinySA IQJ. Check it out. Spectrum analyzer. Right up to 7.3 GHz. 140 odd quid. Thanks for watching. 7 threes for now.